I mean, we don't have a football pitch which can play international matches. And thina so expect ukuthi perform to the international arena when now we don't have the infrastructure is not the international one.
Sekukhona ama-results njengoba uMorocco ngabe nina ni-executive ya-EFA kuye kwendeke nisathi amadoda lana le nto lezindawo is a waste of time and money asusihlaleni phasi sibe ne-project maybe sibekele 5 years.
The whole system, everyone should be geared. It's not only about football. It should be a mindset of the whole nation. Because now we want to qualify for World Cup. His Majesty, the King, has said it now. So it has to change the mindset.
Yes, but the international exposure, mawubuka nje the squad sethu. Most of them are jitala lapha. Sekanalo international exposure, but there are no results even if we come back with them. It's all jala process. Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Times Talk podcast. Today I'm your host, and we're lucky to have Dr. Comfort, the Whole Regional Football Association chairman. Dokotela siyawemukela Good Times Talk podcast today. Sicela ukuthi nje kancane Dokotela usitshele kabanzi ukuthi usuka kuphi uqale nini ukungena kulomkhakha wetemidlalo.
Angibonge Fakuthi ngivusele balaleli be-podcast yaka Times. Maybe nje ukuchaza ngami eyibhola ngiqale ngisemncane kakhulu ngiqale ngekuyidlala. Ngaphinde ngaba ngumrafela. Ngaphinde ke ngase sengiyi-administrator. Currently sengilapho ngu-administration nayo. But nje vele like any Swazi child, I started at a very tender age. Sadlala le ekhaya kithi esibuyeni phasanko miyahlaba inkundla lensha lena. Qale ke kudlala khona. Sidlala nje bo 7 aside ibhola ukhanze ukuthi itawuphela nasewushaya igoli lesi4.
Yes.
Vele ndapha. But coming forward ngase ke sengijoina Shema Juniors ngajoina i-team lebeyakhiwe ngibabelo omncane wami. Bebele known as Shaka, i-Corporation All Stars.
Olala Corporation.
Yes, ngaqala ukudlala kiyo. Ngenyuka ke ngase ngidlala kumbelebele. Then ngase ke sesakhi team. My brother was working a multi-serve. Sasisakha ke i-team i-multi-serve. Lapho ke ngakhona ngena khona ngaba ngikapteni wale team ngaphinde ngaba ngisecretary wale team. Then ngaqhubeka ngingisecretary wale team. Base khanzakala ukuthi kushoda bo Rafael eSunduza. Then I joined referee. Out of frustration nakhona, sometimes you find that you know the laws of the game, but the person Don Rafaela umkhanze ukuthi ngathi akawati ulomthetho. A classical case nje that made me to go to class. Kwendeka kwaba sasuke emsunduza sawudlala ePrince of Wales. Lokushothi le team yethu it was from Gabi, but the Shaima team kwakuneno couple beyicombine from B na A, that is promotion.
Yes.
So lawo manang lawo leo game leo I think bese sikuma quarter finals. So sesodlala ke ne team I think mangikhumbula kahle bekungi team yase corporation na United Brothers lebe phethwe ngibabe Green
Yes.
esithi ngibabe Green na awakati ngumama beyiphethwe nguye siyodlala Prince of Wales nasidlala lapha kwendeke i-handball right inside 18 I judge Raphael
Yes.
yes it's a handball
Mm.
but angayibeki i-penalty
How?
ayikhokhe ibe outside 18 abale 10 yards ayemove then that made me to join refereeing luckily for me welcome ngibabe Tamtam Dibek labe wakavulakati
Yes, I'm
may his soul rest in peace kwaba nguye vele lo cishe nje uthi no you are welcome safundziswa ke ngibabe sport Dlamini babe sport I think usaphila yena I think ungala kubo Siphofaneni wangifundisa ke kuRafaela ngagena vele ngikhona kuRafaela you know and I had passion in football but ngangidlala ngiphindze ngiRafaela
Yes.
ngangidlala ngiphindze ngiRafaela up until ke agcina ngiphethe labo Rafaela basembabane ngibaficturisha emagemini sinaye babe Tamtam ngagcina ngingisecretary wale we referees committee akawo
Yeah, maybe ke kukhona abantu abangafuna kwathi uthi dokotela lekhaya le team yakhe bekuyini and kumbelebele ufika ulethwa yini kumbelebele udlale wefika kusiphi isigaba.
okay lekhaya bengidlalela iYoung Swallow lesibuyeni team yalena nje beyingaka si affiliated ke yona inang so nje lesibuyeni kithi bekune Swallows iYoung Swallow kune computer tatanza wona tatala sibuyeni but ke bengidlalele iYoung Swallows mina and then manje ngidlala ke kuma juniors lapho bese nginel card official corporation then ngase ngiyenyuka ngiyodlalela umbelebele kumbelebele ngifikiswa kwekuthi ngihlala vele eceleni kwakaBlunga eceleni kwabo Matse former minister wethu kuma sports sasibomakhelwane so baba Matse abengi chairman wembelebele so kwabalula lokuthi kuthiwe hey utodlalela i-team yalana
Ngabe ngiyiphi le position boyidlala wena lapho?
okay I was a utility player bengiba goalkeeper ngiphinde ngidlala as a midfielder I was a right winger but ngiphinde ngidefend as a central defense I think the height that what was enticing bantu ngaba nebhadi ngidawuthi ngaba ngebhadi angizange khona ngidlalela babegwebo because bese kukhashana ekhaya they will always manga befuna ukuthi vele abengayifuni vele bona manje mina nje ngangidlala against my mother's will maka befuna ukuthi ngibe ngidokotela lele ngiko make I didn't know ukuthi ungakwenda kokubili
Yeah. Yebo wona bofisile lokudlala la ku square yakho.
bengifisile ku square because vele ekhaya sikhule babe wami abedlalela iHighlanders but at a lower level and bengifisile gwebo at that time abebukete ama juniors embabane Highlanders yabo 10 cishe nje number of them
I-dream yakho apart from le kuba ngidokotela nalapho le ukuthi wawufisa ukudlala ufike kusiphi isigaba and udlalele yiphi team?
No, always when you play, cishe sikhathi listening, you want to play up until you play for your national team. But you get that little poo because make vela be emphasize ngesikolo kakhulu, so I could not spend more time ePoland. Bengibaleka kuya ePoland. Yeah, bengibaleka kuya ePoland. So but I think I've reached the pinnacle la kangwane administrative bola because khona national executive.
Yes, so the administration lapho leni iqale kuphatha labo Rafael.
Shothi nje ngaqale ngaba secretary of the referees bakahoho.
Yes.
ngenyuka lapho ngase base bangithatha from the referees wakaho bangifaka ngaba ngu secretary general wakaho Regional Football Association. Kwaseke sekuthi nga 1990 I mean 2000 ngase ngiyahamba ngiye esikolweni ngihamba vele ngimabhalane wakahona Regional Football Association.
Okay.
Yes. Then when I came back from school, that is 2006, sengidokotela ngicelwa ngibabe Fritz uthi babe Fritz shongwe uyathi ufika kahle here we are sishoda ngemuntu longasilidela ibhola yethu shothi ngangishiya record lelihle nangihamba as secretary general waho.
Yes.
Then uthi naku lana sifuna umuntu longaba ngichairman weMbabane League.
Mbabane League.
Yes, Mbabane League. So bame Fritz angifika vele kanza solobishile. Angathi noma ngidawusibe kuma elections noma bekwathi but nje I got an overwhelming ngafakwa kuba ngichairman weMbabane League.
Yes.
Yes. So we started kancane sakulungisa tintfo sakhanza ukuthi at that time bekude ama sponsors then salungisa sathola ama sponsors thanks nje ngokukhona babemkhatshwa yes wasibambisa sathola bo Centra. We tried to recoup some of the sponsors kwaqala kwaba ngconywana eMbabane itinto nje tisatenda kahle saqala nekudweba ema ground putting emakhona flags nje sakorganize kahle nema leagues ethu aqala kuphela because that was another sickness lebeyikhona bokhanza ukuthi ema leagues akapheli ama protest akakatekwa tonke lento nelo saba nje ne organizer things that were in place.
Yes.
And then after that I think 2010 fast forward teams nominated me for being the chairman of the Regional Football Association.
Nguphi lo mnyaka lo
I think that is 2010. Bangithatha ke vele ngiphinze nangibuya kushuthi nje 28 2008 i-Mother Association that is IFA ungi-appointa as manager logistic manager national team.
Yeah.
A memorable game I think emaswati labateyikhumbula kahle manager bekungimi nasishaya iThogo lakhaya.
Yes, ngakhumbula lapho.
Bese ngimanager national team. We went on to play both Zambia in a number of teams. Sadlala now we won some, we lost some. Somehow we brought order thanks to the National Executive Football Association. Sakala kuba nema code of conduct of players. Bekunenkinga ke bokwenza ukuthi ama players now and again ayateleka. And I can assure you Kawe team yala Kangwane ever since ngaba khona lapha think since 2008 till to date kude ku boycotta ukuteleka lesike sabanako.
Yilo wakuchinja lapho tota.
Lengakuchinja it was what I found that there was a lack of communication, the information. Ukuthi players tell them exactly how is the cash flow of the mother body, that is the football association.
Yes.
And then tell them, no guys, you have trained, but imali kusete kwanyalo. And the nangibuta thanks na kumgometulus the CEO ukuthi probably imali sibe nayo nini manage.
Wena walesa transparency la.
Tisha nje kwamba transparency, communication and the like. Sometimes even if CEO tells me ukuthi maybe imali sayithola akengibekise today thing is the 5th of September. Athi yena no sayithola mhla ka 10. To the team sometimes I will say no sayithola by 15 sabe sayitholile ngendelani ngendela ukuthi should there be any delays because kuba nema processes of getting the money, but I'm still covered kule time le. So the players were always happy because I've beat my deadline on that. I've beat and then I've given them time. So looking at the team for later, and then kwaba khona nema sponsors angibonge nje kakhulu ka MTN, they sponsored our national team. So even the dress code became nice at that time.
Yeah, ngakhumbula sabe sisithole Adidas la.
Yes, nemala wensizwa uma ngesikhathi abangconywana, although vele there's still a gap, there's still a big gap ukuthi sikulungise lokho.
Yes, lokhu sokusinzile nje lenzaba national team bezidlala itolo. Sadliwa. Ingabe le underperformance yale national team wathini ngayo and yini lokungaphinze kuyibuyise le bhola ibile ngalesikhathi sijabo Thoko la ngalesikhathi le Tataboyuki. Yini lesilekhisha ngayo nyalo?
Okay, I'm part of the executive. Ngicabanga ukuthi yeah, kukhona maybe into lesetingasendeki kahle. There are internal things, there are external, you know. I'll cite one, the issue of development. I think the biggest issue is within the clubs themselves. Like Sigubona on our dailies, the structure is very critical. Who is leading the team? Does he have a vision? Where does he want to go? What does he want to reach? So currently we are seeing the scrambling for structure, who the ownership of the club.
Yes.
I think we have to go back to the clubs and then look at their local standing. Probably they register, the clubs register as an NGO. Because ngathi ngiyabuka kude la kangani ngathi umthetho lo register ima associations ngathi kunenkinga lapho but siyakubona nabo king for this good governance, corporate governance kungathi kunenkinga navele kuma sports anyway ngathi king for ngathi sonako ku address such but nje there has been a challenge with how do we address clubs. That's why some they say they're PTY, the others are football club, FC, you know.
Yeah.
So we have to first go there. Sigulungise and make sure we would see this is a structure, listen, how do you become the chairperson of the club? Do you account every year? Those things. Once that thing yalunga, then it says the technical structure again. Is the club properly run? Does it have qualified technical staff? All those things. Do you have your offices? You can't tell me good teams Lamatzala were posting good established in 1949, but we don't have anything to tell, to show. We would see since 1949. We don't even have a piece of land. When Lagangwane, you can still go and corner, pay 2 wedding home, uthola umhlabathi. And nabati lamanye bobabe tekhulu bangilama clubs. Bangilama clubs angakhuluma nemlingani wakhe.
Yes.
Ukuthi ndabekisa nje anganoma ligama lemuntu ungalishwe. Khona chief lengimatiko ukuthi kuyimbabane Swallows lo sake sahamba nje sayikhokha imbabane Swallows iyodlala eAfrica le emphakathini wakhe uyabona
Yeah.
angakhuluma nemlingani wakhe ngala embabane uMontjane
Lenzawu close
awu nabakithi abelinxusa lale club and ithola indzawo eyakhe lokunye if you come and partner with some of the companies you can buy a farm and establish the ground lale team.
Yes.
Simple thing, usitale ngento lencane sikusiye ngekhulu.
Yeah.
So those things they counter a lot because the players are trained and they are instilled in umahambo waleyo team le. Sibaqalile abantwana babancane. Right now kulama club lamakhulu I can attest you, good lo run Emma juniors properly.
Yes.
I'm developing them, non-developmental coach word. Before you come to the world-class qualified coaches, this one is our developmental coach. And you have boma indemnity forms with batali banabantwana. You know, tinweleti kanjani. We are not well structured. And when you drum sense kulama club ukhanza ukuthi bakhala ngetimali ukuthi kude timali. Ndoleti kanjani.
Ngoba nje masesikhuluma ngala structures dokotela kunale ma challenges la faced nje kulama teams amakhulu nyalo. Kunana structures sema patrons. Ingabe ungathini nje kwenza leyo?
Oh, mina banabadzala, I always cherish them. I'll be different from other people who are saying patrons by owner land. Those are the people who are carrying the DNA of the club. Those are the people who have spent money. It's like saying, babu wako, ay babu uyangonisa babu wangu. Yamon. Your parents will never say to you, akumili they astray. It's rare if it's there. I've never seen it. Ukuthi umntana akulide they astray. But actually, to me, they brought stability kulama teams. Esikhathini esiningi.
Manje yini the challenge bese kuba nale misindvo lekhona ya?
I challenge. You see it's in bantu labasha. Sometimes kuba khona sibe too ambitious of certain things. Sifune kutenda letindvo kanzi letindvo bantu labadzala sebake bati try. Those are tried and tested. Bese bafuna kutenda bona ukuthi hayi thina singakwenda kanje lento ukhanza ukuthi ayendeki nawulapha kashane ibukeka yendeka, but nasufika in reality it's a total different thing. It's a total different thing. Kubukeke kulula nje ukuthi sawuthatha iclub. Hey, iclub, it's expensive. It's very much expensive. Mina nje ngiyengeva ukuthi bantu labadzala they spend their money molding this club. And then sesithi thina namuhla hey abasalo bakhesha sebasonisa. No, let's us blend. Kube khona labadzala, kube khona labasha, so that there is continuity in the club.
Because abanye baye bakhala ngakuthi abantu labadzala abafuni ukuthatha ama advices. Ingabe yini lo ngaba advisor yini wena as somebody lo seka abe nesikhathi eside administration, not teaming but nje administration e football, so yathi ukuthi nange ama challenges singawa tacklisha kanjani?
Well, I've not been to them, but I don't think ukuthi ukhona lo mdzala longala a good advice. Ngingadi kambe, but I've not. Sometimes it depends ukuthi kuwe wena njani uyilethe njani lento. Because kukhona labanye bantu they want a quick cash with the clubs. Bafuna kujinga masinyane bende labakwendako baseve ma interest abo. Kanti umlo mdzala yena ubuka I longevity of the club. Nayo le challenge lengiba nayo lapho. Mina ngithi let us blend. Let us have bantu labadzala labakhona, let us have also labancane.
Yes.
Lento sikuharmonize. You see, because kune story lesikhona bathi kwake kwathiwa kubulawe onke emakhehla kulendzawo. Bababulala vele bantu labanye.
Yebo.
Kwase sekuba nenhlaphi igegela munye umuntu. Base kuyabonakala ukuthi yathi kube sinebantu abadzala ngabe basitshela ukuthi senda njani la. Kwaqhamuka umfana lomncane wathi mina ngami mkhulu ngamfihla. Wafika mkhulu aqhamuka ehlathini.
Yebo.
Wathi wo ubanjwe inhlathi wayikulula walanza sicoco. Yaqala inyoko yalanzela sicoco. Kwabe kusiza kwakhe lo muntu. So in short, but bantu labadzala they've got wisdom. But unfortunately vele nasitota thina ngalobuncane bethu sometimes akukhanga ukuthi lokunye kuyashayisa with the wisdom, because thina ke ngeke sikubukele into kafishane.
Yeah.
But nje labantwana mina nje ngabekisela leka ho I allow the youngsters ukuthi come, let us do nine technology AI again. Come, let's do this thing. Ubanikele.
Yeah.
Ubanikele. 1 2 3 sekunenkinga. So thengisele so webi report yalomunye umuntu so bonena quick money. So webi report so niketela abanye bantu sithi no phela awukwendi nasekufike officeini nakufuna lo munye there's a process funa bhala incwadi kuze ukuthi sikhokhe le document seniketene sebacabana labanye abantu uyabona vele kanjani yena ufuna kuba nale problem yethu nje thina labantu ngakho ukuthi sijake imali kanti imali ayifune uyijake you have to earn it through the right channels. Not ukuthi bakabantu abancane bakahle I like them nasebenza okunye ke it takes ku volunteer labanye bakhanze kungathi akubhadala ku volunteer ngona kubhadala ukhanze ukuthi leyo ayifuni ukuvolunteer certain things ndabekisa nje ngithi asambeni isogubha umthoyi maybe around in that seat. The youth will run away and labantu abadala bato understand ukuthi ufuna siyosebenza nena sebafuna imali vele njalo kanti le police ethi imali.
Yes, dokotela uke wanyamalala sikhashana lesincane kawo sophinza ubuyile. Besicabanga ke dokotela ukuthi maybe lokusobuyile ke utaphinza ufuna ukungenela nalo khetho elikhulu lo walingenela previously. Ngabe kube yini ama challenges usungalingenela nyana?
Oh, okay. It's a very easy one, that one. I clarify it because vele it confused a lot of people. Clarity, I mean, my younger brother, it's my blood brother.
Yes.
He said he was ambitious to go for vice president. So then, to me, I've been the vice president. And the second he's still young. He wants to have a field. So it was strategic for me. Ukuthi angumvulele. Semncane, he has never been there. Angumvulele angene atibonele naye, and then also contribute development weball. So kube sangena sobabili lukhetho. Bengindeka sikhetho sobabili. And akusikala sengathi lento sesiyayi monopolize thina bakasho. But ngathi asibe strategic, let us support one. And as Singho Regional Football Association, let us give one candidate. Out of the 8 members a football association, let us push one candidate so that so none.
Ngabe in future unawo ama plans ukuthi ubuye yini, especially nje kubamba le position of presidency yaka F.
Ukutaya ukuthi emaswata yafuna ibhola ithuthuke etandleni tashonga.
Yebo shongo yena ke.
Mina anytime if they would say I've got big ambitions about Ebola yet, and I know some of the pockets where we can really now. Not that I'm not trying, I try, but we're an executive. Even if probably maybe you can say yes, let's assess Pumen Ganje. But if the executive says no, not that route, I have to be bound by MR regulations, alle executive. Uti Panabas one day, ukona this, what do they call it? Logutin, we are together. There's this word they used, singly called Liwe. Logutinje, we are bound by Lomteto Walel committee, which no strategy set to see Pegelen. No mercy about a dissenting view. Then we have vote at the majority, then you accord to that.
Because nenhlali ni executive nibuke nje nayizaba le national team yalama national teams especially ukuthi ngabe kuyasida into kupheka hamba sodlala lama competitions zawo sibo qualifiers yet kude ama results why singabi maybe asihlaleni phasi kancane maybe 3 or 5 years tinto lesitibonile buComoros tawasebenzela lawo mavi mawabuya abuya sekukhona ama-results njengabo uMorocco ngabe ni-executive ya-EFA kuye kwendeke nisathi amadoda lana lento lezindawo is a waste of time and money asusihlaleni phasi sibe ne-project maybe sibekele 5 years.
Okay. Okay, Makawe. It's a question, but usually such questions ngengawathandzi la negative. That it's a negative question in a way. Uthasesime banibagijima limayela. Bayakumanzini bathi asesime thina. You lose touch. You lose touch. And lamavelo ngitshela ngawo. What they did, those guys, I believe in strategy. Let's have a strategy. And to me, push out Kulama World Cup, it's a no-no. It's a no-no in many facets. One, uma udlala nema teams amakhulu, you get an international exposure.
Yes, but the international exposure mawubuka nje the squad sethu nyalo. Most of them are chitala lapha sekanalo international exposure, but there are no results even if we come back with them sodlala kuKosavu. Still no results.
Yes, true. It's a genuine observation lokubonako. Yes, there are no results. Kukhona lisisho ngeSwati. Sithi akulahlwa mbeleko akungakufela. Yes. Awuthi umntwana na fail esikolweni. Ubese uyamkhokha wena uthi hayi lo mntwana uma kasahlale ngephandle. Tawubuya kuphinza bakhanze tawufunza tawubuya maybe not taking ngephandle. Tabangcono. There are other things which lo mntwana uyakhula ayibona vele njani. Mawa wesifazane masinya utawusuke bese uyamitha. So uyafake nalesikolweni all together. Asingayekele, but let us strengthen our strategy. Let us look where we are. I think government is helping us. Government has first set in a Ministry of Sports, Youth and Culture. Then now there's a sports bill which is being piloted. We are moving, we're not moving as fast as one would love. I mean, we don't have a football pitch which can play international matches. And Sinesos expecting to perform to the international arena when now we don't have the infrastructure is not the international one. Surely it will not. Until the whole system, everyone should be geared. It's not only about football. It should be a mindset of the whole nation. We're going to say now we want to qualify for World Cup. His Majesty, the King, has said it now. So it has to change the mindset. After the head of state has said it, then the whole has to change. The behavior of government has to change. The support that they give to the national team, the schools, we have to try and achieve the goal that the King has set. Even we have to release Banvana, make sure we support them. Unlike now, ukhanza ukuthi yiteam yababebani. Funa umntwana babebani, maybe babeshome. Funa tibonele lijezi, funa tibonele makhokho alabantwana. Funa tibonele ukuthi ubalayisha ngani uye esikoleni. Now it has to change. Uma umntwana adlala ibhola, ufuna mina emntali ngicontribute ngekuthi ngumthengele makhokho, ngumthengele ibhola yakhe. Nabafika le groundini, ngulo mntwana uta nebhola yakhe. It becomes easy for the technical team Kwekukuthi ithi hayi senza nal exercise nal with ball but niyalukhanza kunebhola yababesho yayibona nemvo leyo yinye and then you expect ukuthi utawudlala nemuntu uhlajima nga-20 wemabhola yethu yabona. So the mindset, it has to be the nation driven towards qualifying. Government must provide infrastructure for us. As the bantu, we provide support to players, schools, they have to open up time for sports. Because I'm taking schools, even as club, let us show business case. Let us show business case because now the clubs, they haven't shown Gucci they are a business, they are an industry. Sekuyabangwa, sekunabanibani, Manzini Wanderers iseyithethwe baseluve, uyayibona le nto leyo. Islanders sekunalabanye ndasebayisa nenkantolo, babaneswalows, lokhu kwami mina ngipithiwa you see, who can plant, who can invest in such?
I would.
Yeah. Let us be realistic. So as football people or sports people, we should come neat. We should showcase our business in this thing.
Yeah, njengoba ngihlale nguva nje vele kuba advisor lama teams zakawo ukuthi asiregister nje as a company now.
Truly. So that we are able to partner with another corporate. But now, into yazibani, ilungisa katseni, mina nje bengithi ibhola, besicela ibhola kaZibani. Yabona? Nasa ibambile le bhola so uphelele umdlalo. Yayibona le sekude umdlalo. So that is how it is currently. So we need to improve from that. We need everyone in the country. I mean, we've got city councils and town councils around the country. They come up with estates. They forget about recreational facilities. Good. You can tell me, good Mbabane, we've got 2 big teams. Crowd pullers, Lagangwan. But we don't have a stadium in Mbabane. So look, so we would see, we haven't taken football serious. But now we demand, we would see, we can have international results. It doesn't tally. Let us put the right investments and then demand the profits from that investment. But we haven't done much in sport. We appreciate those companies which they have really they've invested. I mean, I will appreciate MTN, your Eswatini Bank, your SPTC, not forgetting the whole sponsors which are sponsoring, they are investing in football. We appreciate those companies and how we wish we would see government can do something for those companies. Because really, football, especially, it's a very popular sport and it has an influence.
Yes, ubuya lapho kuvela kula sponsors njenga chairman wawo. Siyabona ngathi is leading the pack in terms of sponsorship. Ngabe ngibanjani nini advice ninganiketa even the teams ukuthi sponsors nothola kanjani?
Okay. We had a very successful AGM. I would like to thank the executive Yaho. I would like to thank the directors of my clubs Zagaho. The meeting that we had was a very successful meeting. And coming to your question, we resolved in the whole region. We would say now we have sponsors to run the league. Now we want to go to the clubs. We'll be starting with the Super League clubs. We want to put up a proper structure. Because that's the thing. That's what we do with the sponsors. We tell them, we're an organization, we've got so many clubs in our region, it's our territory. We have a constitution, a modest constitution. It allows to partner with anyone. We've got a constitution. Every year we account, we've got audited accounts, professionally audited accounts. You see, we submit those things to the sponsors, and then they see this thing. And our auditors, they also call the sponsors to verify certain transactions in our accounts. So it's the transparency, accountability, honesty in whatsoever that you are doing. Those things are key. They're very key. I would say, if we had said we are going to do games, between this month and this month, let them see the games, report to them, give them updates, what is happening. Those are the key things in that. Your communication should be clear. Anytime when they call you to ask a thing, you are there to respond accordingly.
Yes. On a lighter note, Dokotela, sikuna i-8-Bay Trade Fair 2025. So liqalile nje yini lokubonile yini mehluko lokhona is the standard isenyukile or droppile lokho sesibonile aphumile the big three intolo kuthanda iphume i-Modern Pirates, the Crowd Pullers, ngabe kuthini kusponsor lo?
No, well, sponsor the numbers, yes, but the advertisement, the brand awareness is still there. I don't think the sponsor loses that brand awareness. That Moneni, Highlanders, Wanderers, Swallows, they've pulled out. We're still talking about which they were beaten 8-bet. So the 8-bet is still marketable. You see, this 8-bet, it comes with surprises. That brand is not diminishing. Yes, in the field of play, the crowd we might be small and the like, but the talk is 8-bet will be there. You see the mistakes that we made in 8-bet, as a club. So the 8-bet is marketed. Whether the big teams are there, whether the small teams are there, 8-bet is still marketed. Okay. Because 8-bet was not about seeing maybe big teams winning. No. 8-bet wants to see a competition run professionally up until a champion is found. Who is the champion? I don't think 8-bet wants the crowd puller. 8-bet wants a champion of 2025, Trade Fair 2025. And that's the thing. Yes. If it is won by an unknown, a small team, to him, the competition has went well according to the laid down rules. That is perfect. But yes, for us, maybe who are benefiting when these games are playing, like there are those business people around. Yes, it is affecting them. You see, because there are those byproducts which they enhance. Yes, it has been affected. In coming in the technical awareness of the games and the like, yes, unfortunately, this tournament, it starts when it's a sort of like a pre-season tournament. So I wouldn't be at the right point to say the standard is low. But one thing which I liked, all the teams came prepared and they wanted to win. But they found that the competition is high in the field of play. So they could not win those who have not prepared well and the like. So it has given them time to go and prepare properly for the league. To me, I'm seeing a very competitive year this coming year, this coming season. I'm seeing a very competitive now. So now we, as technical people or administrators, we have to up our game, especially the referees, because those are the guys sometimes which they are perceived to be the source of controversies. I will say we have to polish them, make sure we give them workshops now and again, so that they are switched to the work they are facing.
Sesivala nje ma predictions zakho atsini?
Who's gonna win this? Yeah, it's an 8-bet, so I have to bet. It's an 8-bet. No, well, I look at. Well, I will say probably Green Mamba stands a better chance. Why? The other clubs, their key players are with the national team. Yes. So really, when seeing Leopard losing, you can see the bulk of the players are in the national team. Even Buffalo, but Green Mamba, yes, they have players in the national team, but the senior players, some of them, they are there. I saw this guy, forgotten his name, who plays the defense. He is there. The goalkeeper is there. Slang is there. You see. So they almost have Scully is here. So they have almost that, because this is one thing the other teams which they lack: consistency of the squad. You can't be building every day at Premier League. No. At Premier League, you recruit 1 or 2 players, not a bunch. Like you recruit about 6 players, it's like it's a new team. No, then that consistency, it will kill the team. I mean, gone are the days when I knew almost all players from Babane Highlanders. Anyway, I'm a Babane Highlanders supporter, So I used to know the first 11 from Babane Highlanders, and I used to know the substitutes who are there. These days I'm wondering, you see, because you find that they bring about 6, 7 players new all together. No, you see the teams which are successful, you find that they bring about 3, 4 maximum. They replace, not to renew or review the whole team.
Yeah. Asibonga kakhulu Dokotela. Sesikhathi sakho sithembe ukuthi kube informative lokho esixoxile namhla.
I hope so, ukuthi kube informative. I love football. Yeah, I'm born a football. Amen. Yes, no, sibonge kakhulu kuba kathini.
Sibonga kakhulu, sishaya sibeka lapho uhlelo lwethu namuhla.